Let's begin. Yes. So in the last class, we started with the chapter volume of solids, right? And we covered cuboid. Okay, we covered the portion of cuboid and we talked about its surface area. So right now we are doing the topic of surface area. Okay, we did the surface area of cuboid, and today we are going to do the surface area of cube. Okay? Cube. Now, a cube is a figure which looks like this.
Square, another square.
And then we join the edges. Okay, this is another three-dimensional figure. Okay, a solid shape. All right, known as a cube. Now, hope you all can see my video. What I'm holding is a cube. Okay, what I'm holding is a cube. Now, what's its property? Okay, its property is the main property is that it's made up of 6 square faces. Okay, can you see the square at the front?
Yes.
All right. Yes. So this cube is made up of 6 square faces. 4 at the sides, 1, 2, 3, and 1 at the back, and 1 at the top and 1 at the bottom. Okay, so it's made up of 6 square faces. A cube. Okay. Now tell me, how many edges do we have in a cube?
Ma'am, 12.
12. Yes, very good. So yesterday I explained that what are edges? Okay, the part where two faces meet. Okay, means this line. Okay, you can see these are the edges. So in the cube we have 12 edges. Okay, 4 at the top. Okay, 4 in the mid and 4 at the bottom. And how many vertices do we have
8.
in the cube?
8.
Yes, that's right. 8 vertices we have. Okay, vertices are what? Where two or more
Corner.
edges meet. Yes, can you see this, this, and this? 3 parts are meeting. Okay, at a point that is known as a vertex. Okay, so in the cube, let's write it down. Let's write it down. We have square faces. How many? 6. Then we have its edges. How many? 12. And vertices. Things. Okay. Now we'll talk about the surface area of a cube. Okay. We know that a cube is made up of squares. Okay. 6 squares. Right. And the measurement of all the sides of the square is same. Okay. All the sides of the square is same. Yes, we know. So now, what was the formula to calculate the area of a square? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am, side square.
Side square. Side square. Very good. Wonderful. Side square. So to find out the area of square, we do side square. Okay. Now in this cuboid, okay, this is for cube. Cuboid we have 6 squares in it. 3 square pieces, so means 6 squares. So what does it become? The surface area of cube. It becomes 6 multiplied by side square. Okay, write it down. Surface area of cube becomes
6 into
6
side square. 6 side.
side square. Okay, means we take this side square, okay, we take the square of the side and multiply it with 6 to get the surface area of a cube. Alright. Hello, Abraham.
Mhm. Bye.
Okay. So like this, we have cube also. Okay. So it's nothing but the sum of the all the areas of squares in the cube and cuboid also. It's the sum of all the areas of rectangles in the cuboid. Okay. Shall we move forward?
1 minute, I'm just drawing a cuboid.
Okay.
Ma'am, you asked me not to draw cube or you asked me to draw cube.
Yeah, I'm in the cube.
Cube, yeah.
Done, ma'am.
And writing? Okay. So let's try out one question. Hearing it. Abraham, have you written? Can you hear me?
Ma'am, just give me a minute.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Okay. Yes. So we were trying out this question. The side of a cube is 15 centimeter. Find its surface area. Try this out.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, is it 1650?
Is it 1650? Um, Let me calculate and see. That's right. It's 1350. Check it once again.
Ma'am, is it 1350?
Yes, 1350. Hope the others are able to do it.
Ma'am,
Yes, Henry.
ma'am, the cube is a 3D square. The cuboid is a 3D rectangle.
Yes, we can say that. Cube is a 3D square and cuboid is a 3D rectangle. We can say
Ma'am, I got 1350 CM. Will it be
1350.
1350 square or just 1350?
Square.
1350 centimeters square. Okay. Since the side is in centimeter, we'll put centimeter and then centimeter square. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Zara getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 6 into 15 is the side into 15. That is the square of. We will get 1350 centimeter square. Okay. Done, everyone? Shall we move on to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So try out this next question. Next question is, the edge of a cube is 2 meter 15 centimeter. Find its surface area. Okay, so edge is same as the side. Okay, 2 meter 15 centimeter. Edge means that it is the measurement of the side. But now we have the measurement in two units. Okay, meter and
Will we take
centimeter.
2.15 meter?
Yes, Anaya, that's right. Okay, that conversion is right. So convert it into meter. All right, convert the whole thing into meter
And the whole
and
thing
then
is
find out the
centimeters. And
surface.
the whole thing into centimeters, ma'am.
You are converting into centimeter.
Ma'am, it will become 215 centimeters.
Okay, so you can convert into centimeter too. Okay, or meter as well because in this we have both the units. All right, and it isn't specified. Okay, for the answer for the surface area, it isn't specified. All right, so if you're converting it into centimeter, then it's fine, but meter is also fine. Okay, both is fine.
Ma'am, I got 25.8 meters square.
25.8 meters square you got. Okay, check it out once again.
Well, that's only what I'm getting.
That's only you're getting. Okay, it's close, but it's gonna be 27.735. Okay, see we have 15 centimeter. Okay, we'll convert it to meter, so it becomes 0.15 meter. Now the total length will be, okay, or the side becomes 2 meter plus 0.5, 15 meter, that is 2.15 meter. Okay, now surface area becomes 6 into side square. So 6 into the square of 2.15, 6 into, we will do 2.15 into 2.15, we will get 4.6225. Okay,
Ma'am?
and then, yes, Edric?
Ma'am, is it 27.735 meters square?
Yes, 27.735 meters square. Okay, we have multiplied 4.6225 with 6. Okay, 2.15. Okay, this 4.6225 we'll get when we do 2.15 into 2.15. Okay, you will get 4.6225 and then multiply it with 6. So we will get 27.735 meters square. That is the surface area, approx surface area of the cube. Okay. When we have it in points, okay, when we are getting the answer in decimals, we can put approx. All right. Got it, Anna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hi, Simeon.
Hello.
We started with the surface area of cube. Okay, hope you understood this question. The formula to find the surface area of cube we use is 6 into side square. Okay, we to calculate the area of a square, we do side square, and a cube is made up of 6 squares. So we find out side square, that is the area of one cube, multiplied with 6. Okay. Write it down and we'll move on to the next part.
I'm done writing.
Done writing? Okay. Next, we have the volume. Next, we have the volume. Can you all tell me what is volume?
The space covered inside a 3D figure is called a volume.
Space covered inside the 3D figure is called the volume. Okay. Any other answers? Anything else? Anyone wants to add?
It equals to cube into cube or something like that, right?
Cube into cube. Okay. So we'll talk on what you are trying to say. Okay. We'll talk about that. Let's begin with the volume. So volume is basically the capacity, okay, of a solid figure or the space covered inside a solid figure. Okay. Solid figure, or we can say its capacity. Now, talking about the volume, we are going to start about the first figure, okay, that is the volume of a cuboid. All right. Now, let's make a cuboid. We have a cuboid. Okay. Now, the volume is all the space that is inside of it, okay, or how much space it has inside of it, how much it can hold in it. That all is the volume, okay. All the space inside a cuboid is the volume. All right. Now, talking about the formula that we use to find out the the volume of the cuboid, we do length into breadth into height cubic units. Okay. Okay. Now, what is this cubic units exactly? Now, look very carefully. There are small cubes, okay? Small cubes of 1 unit. Okay. Small cubes of 1 unit. Now, this cuboid is filled with those small cubes of 1 unit. Okay. So, how many cubes can be filled inside the whole cuboid? Okay, that is the thing here. Okay. So, that is the volume. All right. And this is measured in cubic units, means centimeter cube or meter cube. This is three. Okay. Centimeter cube or meter cube. Why cubic units? It's called because we imagine that inside the our solid figure, okay, we have cubes. Okay, it's we take it as a measurement that it is filled with cubes of I think one unit each. Okay, a cube of one unit each is filled with it. All right. So because we have this cubic units inside it, okay. For the volume, we use centimeter cube and meter cube to denote it. All right. And to find out the capacity, the volume of any of a cuboid, okay, of a cuboid figure, we use the formula length into breadth into height. Okay, you can write this down. Volume of cuboid length into breadth into height. Okay. Hope this part is clear to you all.
Yes, ma'am. Done writing.
Oh, okay. So let's try out one question now on cuboids. The dimensions of a wooden cuboid piece are 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 6 centimeter. Find its volume. So we have our dimensions, okay? Length 10
Ma'am,
centimeter.
is it 480 centimeter 3 raised to the power of 1?
Yes, Abraham, it's 480 centimeter. We read it as cube, okay? Centimeter cube. All
Centimeter
right.
cubed raised to the power of 1.
Yes. Not exactly 3 raised to the power 1. Okay. We read it as centimeter cube. Okay. 480 centimeter cube. Now,
Ma'am, 480 centimeter cube balance support.
yes, 480 centimeter cube. Then 1 second. Yes. So we have length into breadth into height, that is 10, 8 and 6. Okay. 480 centimeter cube is the answer. Okay. Hope the volume of cuboid part is clear to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh, written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, try out this question. Length and width of a cuboidal box are 6 centimeter and 3 centimeter, if its volume is 72 centimeter cube, find its height. In this question, we have the measurement of the length of the cuboid, we have the measurement of the width of the cuboid, but height we don't know, and volume is given to us. Okay. Volume is given to us. Right. So, volume, what's the formula? Volume equals to length into breadth into height. See, whenever we are to find the missing values, okay, and the
Ma'am,
answer
is
given
it
to us.
2? Is the missing value 2? CM.
Is a missing value 2? No, Abraham, check it again. Okay, check it again. So we use the original formula. Okay, we use the original formula, and in it only we put the missing. We put all the values that we have. We have 72. Length we have how much? 6. Width we have how much? We don't have
The
it.
answer is 4. Height is 4 cm.
4 cm. Okay, 4 cm is the right answer.
Sorry, what?
4 cm is the right answer. Okay, we have height we don't have, so we have put an h here. All right, then 72 is equals to 6 into 3. It becomes 18h. Hope all of you all are able to find this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll take 18 to the other side. It becomes 72 by 18. Okay, or we can write h equals to 72 by 18. Cancel. H is equals to 4. Okay, so we have height that is equals to 4 centimeter. Okay, so you can be asked anything. Length may not be given, width and height will be given. Okay, or sometimes the width is not given, but length and height is given. Okay, so any of the value can be missing. So just use the original formula. That's volume equals to length into breadth into height. Put the values in there. Okay, and then find the missing value. Any doubts still here? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we will continue the rest of the portion in the next class. Okay, there is one more question we'll try out later on the volume of the cuboid, and then we'll start with the volume of cube. Okay. Okay. All right then. See you all tomorrow. Bye.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Bye.